Module 1 covered the remarkable body. So after you have completed this chapter and module, you should really know so much about the ins and outs of the working of the body. It's really important to know about nutrition, but unless we know how the body works before we really start diving into nutrition and the different aspects of the body that it impacts, we have to begin with that overview. So the two assignments, assignment 1 is all about a closer look at the physiology of human digestion and absorption. There'll be a link to take you out to MindTap to complete that. And then assignment 2 is a case study, too much of a good thing, to put into perspective how various things that we bring into our body can impact it from a nutrition standpoint. So you'll be able to put that into life through that. That's another link to also as well send you out to MindTap to complete that one. So remember, you complete those, you start in Course 10, click on that assignment, it'll divert you back out to Cengage's MindTap. You'll complete it in there, and that's it. It'll transfer that grade over to our Course 10 gradebook. So I hope you enjoy those assignments. Take care.